Your career is an important part of your life, and it should be something that you're constantly working to improve. When you get involved in your community, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences that can help you in your career. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community and make it a better place. By volunteering your time and talents, you can gain new skills and knowledge that will help you in your career. For example, if you volunteer for a local organization that focuses on environmental issues, you can learn about sustainability and green business practices. Or if you volunteer for a local political campaign, you can learn about grassroots organizing and marketing. You can volunteer for local organizations, take a class at the community center, or join a club or group that meets regularly. Each of these activities provides an opportunity to meet new people, learn new skills, and make a difference in your community. Whether you're helping to clean up a park, work in a soup kitchen, or tutoring children, your time and effort can make a real difference. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips, and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post new job search training videos. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.